Frau Ingeborg und I am the producer and director for Refashionista Sheri. And today I am doing the troll time, so you know what, we are just going to jump right into it. And today's troll, her name is Carol. And Carol says, "You are wearing someone's trash. Secondhand stores are for poor people who can't afford new things." Oh, there is two separate thoughts going on here. This is someone, maybe they have, I don't know, other people talking to them at the same time they're writing, I don't know, because it is two different thoughts happening. Okay, so the first thought, you are wearing someone's trash. No, it doesn't, I don't even know what to say about that. So if someone gives you something they don't want anymore, that is meaning everyone is wearing trash. If they take something from their friend or their family, or all of, you know, the children who grew up like myself wearing hand-me-downs, I think that's how you call them, hand-me-downs, or second-hand clothing from family members, is that trash? I don't think so. I think it is reusing and upcycling, and it's a good thing, no? Yeah? I think it is a good thing. You let me know what you think. If that is it trash? I don't know. Anyway, the second is right thinking here. Secondhand stores are for poor people who can't afford new things. Well, which is it? Is it trash? Or is it for poor people? I don't understand. That doesn't make any sense at all, because then, Carol, what you are saying is poor people only deserve to wear trash or have trash in their homes? Is this what you're saying? That they should be maybe going to the landfill and getting things? I'm not understanding. If you can reply, Carol, this troll Carol, and let me know what you meant, because it doesn't make any sense. I'm not sure what you are meaning. But second-hand stores are absolutely not only for poor people. Maybe when they were starting way back a few hundred years ago, and even before that, I'm pretty sure people were trading and reusing. It was just a normal part of society way back in the day. And now, you know, it has become very big business. There are vintage stores now. There are second-hand stores. There are thrift stores that are totally for profit. They have nothing to do with any kind of charity. And even charity shops now are absolutely insane with their prices. And just the other day, Sheri was looking for a secondhand sofa in a thrift store, and it was over $4,000 for a used sofa. So I'm thinking that even thrift stores that have everything donated now are definitely going a little bit into cloud cuckoo land with their prices, as we know, because Sheri has pointed this out, and she has shared real life examples, and we will put the video down below for you so you can see what we are talking about. But it is definitely, the things, they are not trash, and they are of course not now for only poor people, because it is now cheaper to buy things brand new than to buy things at the thrift store. So again, if you have anything to add, please let me know down below. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and Refashionista Sheri and me, Frau Inge, we will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.